Good evening, guys. Good evening, all. Good evening, all. Good evening, Sarona. Good evening, Shunaid. Good evening, Sandeep. Good evening. Good evening, all. Okay. I hope everyone is having had a great. Everyone had a great weekend. Okay. Okay, coming back, I see very few people. Okay. Yeah, today, like on the last class, like on Saturday, where many people are facing issues with like the Bootstrap. So today we are like we gonna cover a few more things. Like again, I gonna like revisit the grid system, this sort of things, and we'll try to create some two column layouts, or how we are going to using this grid system, how it is going to create the layouts using this Bootstrap. We'll try to like talk about those. Okay, and we'll try to like have a small patterns. Today what we are going to like the meanwhile the Bootstrap again. Now I can open my file and open folder. We'll try to open our folder. Okay, we'll select this Bootstrap folder. Okay, now our project is ready. Now we'll try to like create a small page, new file. I'm gonna save this as sample page.html. okay, now coming back to our like we'll for the basic syntax, we'll try to like I just gonna go to our official Bootstrap, Bootstrap 5 introduction. Okay, we'll just like try to copy paste it. Okay, and here I'm gonna copy over this, and I'm gonna paste over this everything. Okay, Control C, Control V. Okay, I have copy pasted here. Now everything is set. Okay, first we'll try to understand the Bootstrap Bootstrap grid system. Okay, now I'll try to reload this page. Open in browser. I'm gonna load this page. Hello world we have here. Now first, as I told you again, I was like going to repeat this grid system. How this grid system is going to be in the sense, I'll try to show you over here. Documents, downloads. I downloaded one image for you to like better explanation. It's somewhere over here. Okay, it's deleted, I think so. Okay, let that be. We'll try to like check here itself. Okay, Bootstrap grid system. Okay, I'll try to open some image. Here we have all the images. Okay, like this. Open in a new tab or new window. No, new tab. Here what you are going to like, this is how your grid system is going to have. Okay, 3 6 by default the grid system is this. Okay, one row firstly, in the sense I'll try to show you. div. Okay, div is here, div is over here. Next, again here I gonna make this as like a div class is equals to row. Okay, I have given class is equals to row. Now if you try to check, that is what this row, one row we have created. Okay, using these classes only this is going to create, or else if you are not using these classes, it is not going to like show you the exact thing. Okay, the class using these classes only it is going to happen. Okay, row. Now what is this row? In the sense, it is going to completely divided in, this row is completely divided into 12 columns, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, out of which you can like either have in different ways. These are all the different ways you can use it. Okay, however you want you can use it. First try to understand the like how this grid system is working, then I'll try to like take some example for it, and I'm gonna show you the example how it is going to happen. We'll try to build some things using this grid system. Okay, first to like this is one way. If you want 12 columns, you can use this 12 columns, or else you don't need like 12 columns, you need 6. So that 12 divided by 2, I mean 6, it is going to be 2 2 2 2 2 2 each and every 2 column it is going to be 1 column. Okay, each thing is going to be 1 column. Now it has created. Now next, you don't want like 3, you want 4. Okay, 6 you don't, you want 4, then it is going to be 3 12 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 6 9 12. Okay, next you have here 4 4 4. What is this 4? It is going to be 4 4 4 4 8 12 6 6 8 4. Okay, and also not only 8 4, not only these are available, you can also have different ways. You can have 3 and the rest of the things like 7 8 9 9 you can have 9 and 3 you can have based on your requirements. You are going to create your layouts. Okay, now what I am going to do is, we'll try to like create a small one page application, I mean small one page thing. Okay, in that you can understand how this Bootstrap grid is going to happen. Now inside this we'll try to like add one header for it. Like everything is copy paste over here, but the thing is you need to know what to copy paste and where to copy paste, and if you want to customize it, how to customize it. If these things you know, then it is going to be very easy. See, everything is a copy paste only over here. Okay, if you don't know where to change and what to change, then copy pasting is also there is no like, you should know that, right? Header using Bootstrap 5. Okay, we'll try to like copy from CodePen. See, we have this, and this is not like normal header. We have this also. You can like whatever it is going to, you can have it. It is not going to be a problem. You will just have this. Okay, but it is like having too much lines of code comparing to Bootstrap. Like if you are going to use this Bootstrap normal in our official site only, you can like get better than, I mean the same thing which without jQuery and all. Okay, and also jQuery is not using in Bootstrap 5, they have removed it. Okay, if you try to check, the same menu we have somewhere here. Okay, or else we'll try to have this one or this one or this one. We'll have this one. Okay, this one I'll just copy over this. And I'm gonna paste it over here. I'll just remove this and I'm gonna paste it over here. Copy and paste. Okay, now I'm gonna reload our page. I think what it is going to come, we have all this, but we need to add the content. Okay, then this for just a header, I'll just copy somewhere over here, which is already pre-made. Okay, we'll just talking about like mainly concentrate on how this grid is working. Okay, now if you like reload the page, okay, now it is happening. Now I'll try to remove this hello world also. Okay, here I'm gonna give title as sample bootstrap page. Okay, now I'm gonna save this. Now this is our navbar. Now we'll try to like use comments. Navbar end. Okay, now I just gonna comment this. Next we'll go with some slider. Okay, slider bootstrap 5. Yeah, we already have. Okay, we have already this, so we'll just like we'll like, or else like we'll try to create some banner images sort of thing. Okay, we'll try to add some set of things. Okay, we'll try to add some custom section. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'll try to like as our end and banner section. Okay, I just gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it. Banner section start. Okay, now I'm gonna save this. Now what we are going to do here, we are going to create a banner section, and I'm gonna like just Control C and Control V. Start, end. I just gonna end this. Inside this, what I'm gonna create is I will try to like create some small sample layout. Okay, for that, what I'm going to do, I'll try to like div. For this, I need one row. Okay, for this row, what I'm going to do is class is equals to row. I have created a row over here. Next, div. Not div, I'll try to like add some h2 or something. Okay, heading, which is going to be a heading. Okay, inside this h2, I'll try to like what we allow to do. Okay, this is one section. Then you can have some p tag over here. Okay, you can have some dummy text over here. Okay, it's up to you. Once you are into the website, you can have lorem ipsum content. Okay, I'm gonna add some dummy content over here, like one line from here. Control C, and I'm gonna paste it over here. Okay, now we'll try to go back to our page and reload. Okay, here. Okay, now we have this section. Okay, now I need some space on the top. For that, what I am going to do, here we'll try to like add AchieversIT logo. Copy image address. Okay, now I'm gonna save this in my navbar here. Okay, inside this I can add this image. Okay, what it is, Control Z, image, src is equals to, I'm gonna paste it over here. Okay, now if you try to reload, we have this over here. Now I want some spacing for this. What I'm gonna do, padding top. What is the class for padding top? Here it is, this one. Okay, for row I'm gonna give, for this particular div I'll try to like padding top of I can give 5. Okay, now I'm gonna reload. See, you have some space on the top. Understood? In the same way, like if you want on the left as well, like inside the container I'll try to place this. Okay, the parent as container, Control X and Control V. For this, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give this class as container. Now I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna reload this. See, it has came here because container by default it is going to take some space on the left and right margin. Okay, next, this is fine. Now what we are going to do, we will try to like create some 3 column layout. Okay, we need to create some 3 column layout. For that, what we are going to do, this is where this grid is going to help us. Okay, and now again we need some column, right? I gonna like give this 3 column layout. For this 3 column layout, I need to create some 3 column layout. A div, we have this div. Again we want some row, right? So that again first I'm gonna give container, or else inside you can have this parent container from here also. Control X, I'm gonna paste it out of this. Okay, so that for all the parent it is going to be container. Okay, here now what I'm gonna do, it is going to be here. I'll try to like paste it as container. Okay, let that be. Okay, we have inside this div, I'm gonna make this as class is equals to, I'm gonna make this as row. Class is equals to row. Inside this class is equals to row, we need to like create 3 column layout, right? We'll try to like make 6 7 8 4 5 6 3 3. Okay, div, it is like completely inside this row we have 12 columns. We want only 3 column layout. For that, how we are going to segregate it? Okay, class is equals to, what I'm gonna do, call LG for large devices, or else you can also give like, if you don't want anything like this also you can give I'm gonna give 3. Okay, and I'm gonna copy this and paste this again, Control C and Control V and Control V over here. Okay, now we have the first and second going to be 3, and the third one is I gonna like add some like 4 8. Now I gonna give this as 4 8. Where is this? 4 8 here. I'll try to make this as 4 8 19 11 12 4. We are going to have some 3 equal parts. I will try to see how it is going to look. Okay, for this, what I am going to do, I'll try to add some content. I'll try to give some h2, okay, or h3. Okay, branding. Okay, here I'm gonna give some p tag. Okay, we'll try to add some dummy content, L'Oreal Epism. Okay, I'll just try to copy this, Control C, and I'm gonna paste it over here, save. Okay, now we should try to check our page. See, we have this here, but I need some space on the top. For that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna again pass, like here only again I'll try to pass. Okay, py of 5, in the sense, see, on the, for this top and bottom it is going to take some space. See, if you inspect over here, py in the sense for the top and bottom, py 5. Okay, padding top and padding bottom 3 pixels. Okay, it is going to take 3 rem paddings on the top and 48 pixels in the sense 48 it is going to take. Now we have some space. Still now we haven't written any CSS. Okay, now again coming back to our second one. Okay, for the second one I'll try to like copy paste the same thing, Control C, and I'm gonna give Control V. Okay. Next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change this like branding to design, DSIGN. Control save. Okay, now if you try to reload, see, we have this. Now we want this one image. We'll try to place one image here, and we'll try to like add a few more things here, like the same text over here and the same text over here, but this image should be like for both the cases. Okay, if we are like trying to do for this, if you are planning to add an image, how it is going to be, it is going to come only in this space. Okay, but how we are planning, okay, for both the things here also I'm gonna like add the same text over here like this, but for all the overview, I mean for both the columns, rows, I need that image, I mean center of that image. For that, what I am going to do is, I try to give this copy paste again, Control C, or else row. Okay, this is one more row. I gonna copy paste over here. Okay, now we should try to reload our page. See, we have the same thing came downside. Okay, for this, what I will try to do, I'll try to give this as development. Okay, now I'm gonna save this. Okay, for this, if you want to add some space, you can add it using for this h2. You can also like keep everything inside one the wall. It's up to you, can do that as well. Okay, for now just let it be. Class is equals to call no, not call, it is going to be we want some space on the top right for padding top of, I'm gonna make this 4, padding top of 4. Should I reload? I mean we get some space here or here. I'll try to give 5. Should try to check over here, we have this some space over there. Okay, next the same thing I'm gonna do for here as well. Control C, and I'm gonna paste it over here. For the last one, I'm gonna like give this as theming. Okay, theming. Now I'm gonna save this, and if you try to reload, see we need to get some space right over here. What we have written for this, padding top of 5. Control C. Here also you can do this. Class is equals to pt5 in the sense padding top of 5. Okay, now everything is in order. Now I'll try to add some image over here. We'll try to download some image. Okay, team png images. We'll try to add some image over there. See, this image looks nice. This is also fine. Okay, we'll try to download this. Okay, save image as team image. I have saved, and I'll try to place it inside our downloads. Where it is, here we have Control X, and I'll try to place into our folder. Okay, inside this Bootstrap, we have like I'm gonna paste it over here. Okay, team.png, and the extension is also png, so that here in the last column, we are here in the last column. Okay, for this what I am going to do is img of src is equals to, it is going to be team.png image. Okay, we'll try to like add alt tag as well. Okay, why we are like for sure we are writing this alt tag, because if you are not trying to add this alt tag, it is going to Google SEO is going to give your website as bad ranking. Okay, so alt in the sense like team image. Okay, now I'm gonna save this, and I'm gonna reload over here. See, we have our image here, but we want this to be like for both the it should be center, right? For that, what we are going to do, okay, for centering of this image. Okay, Here if you try to check, we'll try to inspect it. How we can check it, I mean we can do it. Team, here we have this, and it is like here column 4. Okay, text align, center, justify content, center, display flex. Okay, now this is going to work. For this, what I'm going to do, display flex and justify, justify content, anti content, center. Okay, I'm gonna save this and reload this. See, we have this justify content, center. Now we'll try to like give some height and width so that it is not going to be like overriding this. Okay, width of 90 VH. Okay, height of auto, or else it is also, we need to restrict it. We'll try to like reduce this width of 90 and height of 100 VH. It has disappeared. Okay, VH in a sense, you'll try to like okay, 100 I gonna width of 100%. Okay, and height of auto. Okay, now it is fine. See, everything is like in the position. For this, like width 100. What is the class for this? For image, right? We are writing. What is the class for class? Class is equals to width 100. For width 100, v100 or v-100, v-100. Okay, and height auto, h auto. Okay, we'll see this. Okay, now like it is like working fine. This is what happening. Okay, for both, if you want, this is what you are going to do. Okay, now see, one layout has been created without any efforts. Like within 5 to 10 minutes we have created this layout. Okay, without any hard efforts. We haven't like initially written any CSS. No CSS has been added still. Okay, but we have created our design. Now we'll try to add some any menu sections or any what set of types. What we'll try to add, we'll try to create some other sections, services sections. Okay, we'll try to create some service section. Banner, this is going to be container. Inside this container only we'll try to have this banner. This is why banner section and data. And this is for what do we call this, what we love to do section. Control C, and I'm gonna paste it over here. What we love to do section, start. Okay, okay, that's it. Where we are here, we are trying to create our one more section. What we love to do, start. Control C, and the last one is I'm gonna end, start, end, end. Here what we are trying to create is services section. I'm gonna like create over here services section, start, services section, end. Okay, now this is how we can like have it. Inside this, whatever less changes we need for which we are planning to do, we can do it. Okay, div. Okay, still we are inside the container only. See, this is the container closing div. In the sense, for all the it is for all the whole page. Okay, it is going to come on the left and right, some space it is going to occupy. For this, now again what we have, like I have like 3 column layout. For this, what I am planning to do is we'll try to add some icons, something inside this. We'll try to add, like, this is our div. For this, I'm gonna add some class is equals to row. Okay, control save. Now we have created officially one row. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some h2 tag. Okay, h2 and h2. Okay, for this h2 I'm gonna write services heading. Okay, now if you try to reload, we have our services over here, but I'll try to like add h1 so that it will be like more than h1. Control S. Okay, now I want this class to be center aligned, this text to be center aligned, text center. I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna reload this. See, you have this services. We need some space on the top and bottom. So that what I'm gonna do, padding of y of 5. Okay, save this and reload this page. See, we have some space. Again, we'll try to like create 3 column layout with equal space. Here we are like the different scenario is different for both the things. We are having one common column, but here we need to have like 3 equal columns. Okay, for this I will try to give class. Okay, this is one row already done, so again we need to create a row. Okay, class is equals to row. Okay, inside this div class is equals to, we'll try to set this out, call of what do we want, 3 in the sense 4 4 8 4 8 12 4. Okay, now I'm gonna copy this and paste it over there. Again, control C and I'm gonna paste it, control V and control V. Okay, 3 3 3, whatever you want in the first column you can like give it in your first column. We'll try to like add some content over there. Okay, first if you have one column, how it is going to check. Okay, inside this see, and also the another scenario here over here. Okay, how it is going to check your things. Again, inside this particular division, what I am planning to do is, again I want 2 columns over here. Okay, how we are going to do that? For that, okay, I'm gonna create one division, div. See, I was talking only for my first column. Okay, control Z. Okay, I was talking only about my first column. Okay, inside this row we have 3 columns, out of which inside for my first column I have one more. I want again it is this column, it is I want this column to be again divided into 2 parts. Okay, for that what I am going to do is, again I need to add a class is equals to row. Okay, now inside this 4 part, okay, 4 in the sense here it is going to be, think that this is 4 4 4. Okay, again inside this I want 2 parts. For that what I was like creating, okay, div of row, in the sense inside that particular column 1 it is going to create one row. Again that particular row is going to contain 12 equal parts again. Okay, out of which we'll try to add some icon. Class is equals to, I'm gonna give call of I'm gonna give some 4. Okay, next column is going to be control C and I'm gonna paste it over here. What is left? 8 is left. 8, I'm gonna give 8 over here. Okay, for my first here what I'm gonna add is, we'll try to add some icon or image, anything. Okay, here we'll try to add some text, h4. For this I'm gonna add some smart contract. Again I'm gonna add some p tag. Okay, inside this p we'll try to add some L'Oreal epism. Okay, Control C, and I'm gonna paste it over here. Control Z, Control X, and Control P inside my P tag. Okay, dot, Control save. Now what I am going to do is, if you try to reload our page, see inside this 4 we have again 2 columns, right? Here one and here one. For this, what I am going to do, here what is there? 4 is there. I'll try to like make this as 2 or 3. Okay, sorry for this one. Here we are talking about for this 4, right? I'm gonna make this as 3 and I'm gonna make this as 9. Okay, now I'm gonna save and I'm gonna reload the page. Okay, and also I'll try to like reduce the text over here. Okay, Control save and reload. Okay, we have this. Here I'll try to add some icon over here for this third column. How to add in icons? Okay, font awesome icons 4.7 CDN. And also this is also, if you want to use some icons, we need to pass this CDN URL and you can use the icons over there inside that particular website. Okay, we have some versions for that as well. Be aware of which version to use as well. Okay, if you are like right using 4.7 and you are like using 5 font awesome, then it is going to not show you that. Okay, it is taking time to load. Okay, yeah, here it is. I'll try to open this. See, this is like all the CDNs we have. Okay, if you like just copy it and paste it over there. Oh, it is taking time. So in the meanwhile, we'll try to like get this. Here we have all the icons. Okay, for this, where is the CDN? CDN. Here we have the CDN link. Okay, CDN picker for font awesome. I'll try to copy this. Control C, and we are going to pass this inside the head tag. On the top, we'll try to like pass over here. Control C and Control V. Okay, now I'm gonna save this. Now I'll try to check if the icons is working or not. Which version is this? I don't know which version is this. I'll try to like explore the icons. Here we have all the icons over here. We can use this all icons. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, we'll try to add this icon. You can add this or this, anything. Android. We'll try to add that Android. Okay, but it is taking too much of time to load. Okay, we have this, and you can like copy out this, copy HTML, and you can paste it wherever you want. Services, inside services, here we are planning to paste. Okay, now if you like go back and reload our page, reload. See, our image icon has been placed over here, but it is very too short. So that what I gonna do, I gonna add some height is equals to some 300 px. Okay, now if you have to reload, it's not happening. Inspect, we'll try to like add some custom styles for it. If it is not working, height of 100 px, now it is not working, and width of some 100 px, okay, it is not working. Okay, we'll try to check how to add this size for it. Control Shift I. Also you can like, this is to show you how to use these icons. Okay, you can also use these images, but how to use icons, since I was like trying to show you that how to add icons here. This, where is this Android? Here we have Android. We'll try to check if there is any sizes available to change. Start using this icon. Okay, it is like adding for this. Okay, you can also download it if you want. See, I have downloaded it. We'll try to like no, or else we'll try to like see, this is how you need to like use the icons. You can see the icon, but due to some reasons it is the height I was not able to change. We can also change the height by default by like passing the CSS inline, but something is not applying here. Okay, height of wait, and if you want to give in percentages, 100%. Let me check if it is working in 100%. No, it is not working for percentage as well. EM, no, it is not working. Okay, let it be. Okay, we'll try to like add some small image around it, or else you can also like go to W3 schools, W font awesome icons, font awesome icons, and font awesome W3 schools. Okay, here also you can get the icons over here. Font awesome intro. You can get this link, you can copy this link, Control C, and I'm gonna paste it in my page in the head tag. Save, and here you can have the icons. Okay, here you have some car icon, something like loading checklist. These are all the icons you have. You have Twitter icons brand. Okay, here you have all the icons over here. The same thing, Android, we are trying to Android, right? So that we'll try to like go with Android only. I'll just copy this Android, the whole thing, the whole line, Control C, and I'm gonna paste it over here. Icon here. Okay, now I'm gonna paste it over here. See, font size of 48. Okay, we'll try to check. Maybe that way, maybe the issue font size, they have used font size here for this font size of 30 px. Yeah, that is the thing. Okay, we need to use font size, that is why it is not happening. Okay, now it is happening, so like no need to use all those things. Font size of, here I gonna pass font size ZD, size of font size is equals to, here what is font size, 80 pixels. 80 pixels we are passing our font size. I'm gonna save this. So Control X inside the quotations. Now we should try to reload. We have this. Again it is not applying. Okay, inside style we need to apply style is equals to, but here if you try to check here, yeah, it is also inside the styles. Style is equals to font size of 48 pixels. Font size, Control X and Control V, inline stylings we are trying to write. Okay, font size of 80px. Now if we try to reload our page, whoa, font size is equals to, again we have saved that, right? We have to save the page, Ctrl S. That is why it is not reflecting. Now we have this ready. Now what I'm going to do is, I want to apply for this for all the sections. How we are going to do this for all the sections? Okay, what I'm going to do is, inside this column 3, right, inside what are all the things inside this 4 column, I'm gonna copy this from where to where, from this to div to this div. I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste this for all the columns again. Okay, here I'll try to like add one more, a few more, like one more row for this. Again I'll try to copy 2 times. I was copying here, again I'll try to copy this div. For this div we have only this. Okay, for this row we have over here. Next I have pasted here. Next for the third one I'm gonna paste one time and 2 times. Save and reload. Okay, now we have our things as it is came here. We can like change the icons as you're according to your wish. Okay, now you understood how to like have internally how we are going to like row inside the row. Okay, now we have this. For this, what I'm going to do is, we'll try to like give some space for it. For this, in the sense, for call for for this padding y of I'm gonna give some 4. Okay, now we should try to reload. For this it is applying, but it is like I'm gonna give 5. Okay, py of 5. Okay, now I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it all over to the columns. Call 4 here. Okay, and call 4. Where is the call 4? Next call 4 ky and call 4 here. Okay, I'm gonna paste it over here and I'm gonna reload. See, okay, we are not applying for the rows, so it is the wrong way of applying. Okay, we are applying directly to the columns. Okay, we are like directly applying for these columns. Okay, on the top and bottom, in the sense, it is going to like have here and here and here. That should not be the case, so we are looking for here and here. Okay, so for that we need to apply for this row. Okay, py of 5. Okay, now we should reload. See, for this it is applying 5 is like too high, so I'm gonna like give 4. Okay, from the beginning I'll try to give. Okay, py of 4. Okay, now I'm gonna just copy this, Ctrl C, and where is another row? Here I'm gonna paste it over here. Next one more row, py of 4. Next one more row here, Control py of 4. Next row py of 4. Like next here py of 4. I'm gonna save this and reload this. Okay, now we have some space applied simply. Understood? Next, this is what for the services section. Okay, services section ends. We don't have ended this. Services section end. Okay, Control X. I'm gonna paste it next to this, Control V. Okay, now I'm gonna save this. We'll try to create one more section for this now. Okay, which section we will try to like create? We'll try to like add some cards for it. That should be like better. Cards section. Cards section. Bootstrap 5. Cards section. Okay, hit enter. Okay, cards. Okay, here we have one card. Okay, we have like a set of cards over here. Or however you want, you can like manipulate it. For this, I'll try to like copy this. The first one, Control C, and I'm gonna paste it like the same thing like for how many things we'll try to plan for this. We'll try to add add some 4 cards. For that, div of row, div, inside this div we have a row, class is equals to row. Okay, inside this I'm gonna paste it, Control C, Control V. Okay, we have our card here. This is for Control C and Control V. This is for card section start. Okay, Control C, and I'm gonna paste it over at the end. Card section end. I'm gonna save this. Now what I'm going to do is we'll try to reload our page, how it is going to be. Okay, reload your page. See, we have this one card has been displayed over here. For this, what I'm going to do, we need to have some image. Okay, for this we'll try to add some image, image like person images. Okay, we can add these images, any of the images. Okay, come on, it is taking time. Right, open this. Save images. Okay, I'm gonna give one. Okay, one.jpg. This is going to be jp image. I go back to the downloads, Control C, and I'm gonna paste it over into our folder. Okay, and I'll try to download a few more images. Okay, any image it is going to be, not only one particular image. You can have any images. Okay, save images 2, and one more, save images. Okay, 3, and one more. Okay, 4. Okay, we have all our images in our download folder. I'm gonna copy all these images, Control X, and go back to our folder, and I'm gonna paste it over there. Okay, now I'm gonna paste it over here. 1 2 3 4. Now I'll try to add all the images. One.j, what is the first image? One.jpg. Okay, jpg. Okay, now I'm gonna save this, and if you go back to our folder location, sample, reload. See, one image has been added. Simple. Next, in the same way, I'm gonna copy paste it. First, I'll try to create one card title. In the sense, I'll try to add some content for this. Okay, what is the name of it? I'll try to give some name. Okay, Andrew. Okay, I named it as Andrew. Again, we can have some content over here, and we have go somewhere. Okay, that is fine. Okay, some content for Andrew. Control S, and I'm gonna reload. Okay, Andrew, for Andrew we have some content over here. Okay, some quick example. We can have have some description for it. Okay, and also if you want something, you can add over there. Next, I just want to copy all this. Okay, we haven't created any row here. How many rows we are planning to? 4 rows, so that it is going to be 3 3 3 3. Okay, for that I just gonna delete this from this to this. Okay, I just gonna cut it. Inside this we need to have some columns, right? How many columns we want? Class is equals to call of 3. Okay, now I need to for this I'll try to copy paste. Okay, now we'll try to see how many we want. This one, right? 3 columns. Control C, 4 columns in the sense. I'm gonna copy this for 4 times. 2 3 4. Okay, now I'm gonna save and reload the file. Okay, we have our 4 icons here. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just change the one image. This is for 2 and 3 and 4. Control S, and I'm gonna reload the page. We have all the 4 sections. Okay, if you want to some space, you can like give some margin for it. For call 3, margin X, mx of 2. I'm gonna save and reload, but it is like going to next column. So margin, in the sense, it is going to absolutely, it is going to disturb the layout. So we can like just keep this as it is. On the top and bottom, if you want to add something, you can add like for this row, if you want to add like margin top or padding top, or like for all the sides of 5. Okay, Control S, and I'm gonna reload. For this, what I'm going to do, we'll try to give some heading for it. On this, we'll try to give some row, and we'll try to add some heading for it. Okay, and div. Okay, now apart from this, you don't need to like write this, and also if you want to like add inside this row only, again you don't need to like create a complete row and that sort of things. There is one more way for that. Here you can, what you can do is like h2. For this, before that, like I'm gonna like add a complete call class is equals to call of 12. Okay, it is going to completely occupy the row, and then next it is going to be like already 12, so that no issues. I'm gonna add some h2 or h1. I'll write like give profiles profile. Okay, profiles, our profiles. Save and reload. Okay, our profiles, and I need to make this center. Class is equals to text center. Save and reload. Okay, this is also done now. Our profiles also created. Okay, but something is overriding here. This sort of things happen. So from this, you need to like if you check, you can change the names and all sort of things. If you check where it is happening, then it is going to be easy. Okay, this we call it as debugging skills. Okay, I think this image is disturbing. See, this image is coming out of the layout. So that width and height, width and height of auto, or else we'll try to like restrict some height. 100 VH. Okay, 100 px. Okay, 190. It is also too high. Okay, now it is fine, I think so. Yeah, 193. You can give height of 190 for it. 192. Okay, Control C for the second one. Okay, or else you can like that. We can like style is equals to height of 192 px. Okay, now it is going to be all right. Okay, everything is all right now. Okay, and next what do we have? We'll try to create some which section we'll try to create. We'll try to create one more section as like the simple section. Okay, what we think section. Control C, and I'm gonna paste it. Okay, what we think section. What we think section. Okay, start. Control C, and I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it over here. What we think section end. Okay, now for this, what I'm going to do is that like create some section over here. Div, we need like have some things over here. and class is equals to we'll try to give some row. It's already there, like the row it is already. Like next what we are going to do is, for this I don't want this container. Okay, I'll close this container here. Okay, because it is going to out of the container. Next here what we will have, we'll close this div.
So we are located in first floor.
Okay, now I'm gonna close this.
First floor.
Next what we are trying to do is, we'll try to add some
You said that you were there, it is nearby.
this is a row, and we'll try to add some content for it.
Yes, in the Bliss building only you can see that there is AchieversIT.
H2
Up to first floor.
H2.
Above Bliss only we are.
So what you think, or we think. Okay, question mark, and we can have some content over here. Okay, next we'll write like copy some dummy content, L'Oreal epism. Okay, Control C, and I'm gonna paste it over here. And we'll try to add some button over here. Okay, using Bootstrap button only we can we'll try to add some button. See, we can also have some default buttons which we have already seen. Bootstrap buttons, we'll try to use this buttons only. Okay, Bootstrap by 5 buttons. I just wanna use this button now. Yeah.
Very good.
Okay, I just gonna copy this button, Control C, and I'm gonna paste it over here. Now we'll try to see how our output is. Like we don't know how it is still now. Okay, it's large button, so we'll try to like make this as large and ASM.
So all of the concepts whatever I discussed, I gave you a lot of other
Okay,
options.
just give me a
First
second.
of all,
We'll try to change
again, I don't want to take too much of
the
time.
button.
I also don't have time.
Okay,
Whether you wanted to start your career with the development side,
Control
or
C.
you wanted to start with the testing
Okay.
side. That is what you have to decide.
I'm gonna paste it over here, save, and I'm gonna reload this. Okay, button between primary, it is going to like take the whole button. So this what we're going to do is button between
People to go for weekend classes because there will be a huge gap comes in. What happens, you are planning to start your job.
it is completely taking the whole row. So we'll like avoid this button for small buttons, or else we need to like give only some particular content.
There will be 15 days gap.
For that,
And people won't even concentrate. And I have seen
input
many
button,
people
button,
fail
button, primary role.
because they have taken the weekends.
We'll try to see this, any of the button.
Only on Sundays I will be completely free, but Monday to Saturday.
Control C, and I'm gonna paste it over here, and we'll try to check if this is working or not.
See, what I am trying to say,
Okay, the same thing it is happening. So we'll write just avoid these buttons.
on Saturday and Sunday,
Okay, we can use some CSS, default CSS buttons. Okay,
and even the 2.5 hours, sometimes what
buttons,
happens, it will be heavy if all the concepts which you are
CSS.
explaining at one particular time. So it will be difficult for you people to understand. So you may need at least every day 1 hour if you are giving training. That itself is more than enough for you to do practicals.
We'll try to like copy some
If
buttons
I am
over here.
overloading you by giving 2 hours or 3 hours of timing, because we also give a corporate trainings 8 hours per day. Within 5 days we will complete the course.
Okay, now I'll
So
write
our
like open.
intention is to complete the course. That is not our headache whether people are learning or people are not learning. So that is a company headache.
Control
We are
C,
going to
and I'm gonna
train the people
paste it
on
over here.
But when it comes to your case,
Okay, when it comes to this
you
style,
want to complete a training within maybe
I'm gonna paste it over internal stylings. Now the first time which we are going to write our internal stylings.
if you need
Okay,
the training to be effective,
I gonna
you want to get a
head
job.
inside the head.
So that is where you have to
We can
concentrate more.
add our styles.
Now see,
STY
it's
as a
very
style.
difficult to travel in two different roads.
I understand, but this job is also important another hand.
That's okay.
Sir, is
See,
there any other morning classes?
Okay,
morning is available. So all
and
the
I'm gonna
sessions will
close
start
all
in the
these
morning.
things. Okay,
So
now I'll try
most
to
of
like
the
reload the
places,
page.
our trainings will start in
Okay,
between 7 to
yeah,
11.
this again.
Right?
Width
If you
I'll
are
try to like
okay, then I
restrict
can
this
arrange
with
in
using
between 7
width.
to 8 or 8 to 9 something.
Okay. Okay, are we writing inside the row? Is that the case?
I can come to 9.
I'll try to like check that. If that is the case, that is what it is
Go
happening.
back there.
Div is
And
equals
but
to
make
row.
sure that
Okay,
give
we have
importance to the
this
training. Even when you're, I hope I
thing,
understand
okay.
because Prasad also explained me that the
Width.
importance of job and
width of like 100 px. Now it is fine. We can like restrict. We need to restrict this with some
that is the reason I am very
120.
focused on your profile. So he is my 10th classmate. Okay. See, end
Okay.
of the day, tomorrow, if you are not succeeding in your
Width
life,
of 120 px. Okay, now I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna reload this. Okay, now we'll try to make this everything center. Okay, and also we'll try to like add some background for it.
You have reached our profile in the internet.
Not it
Yeah, you please go
Okay,
to that.
and now I have like a row here. Okay, for this what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some class for this, a default class for we think section.
I did not even have a proper, support.
We think. Okay, I have like think section. I'm gonna make this class as think section. Okay, this is my class name. Now I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna go back to the top to write my styles. Okay, now I'm gonna like I gonna give some background color of orange.
The life which I am living,
LIG has light.
I can probably say that is what the hard work is.
Okay, Control S.
Across the, it's all about,
And I don't know this light orange is there or not. Okay, orange is there.
think about it, something
Okay.
is wrong.
Now if you try to check, we have
Don't
this.
worry about
Okay,
whatever the
next
things which are missing.
I will need to make this everything
You
center.
more worried about your present. You should not even
Okay,
worried about
for
your
this
future.
gonna go down. Okay, here I gonna like give add this. I will write like a class to text center. Class is equals to text center. Okay, now I'm gonna save and I'm gonna reload. Okay, everything came to center. Okay,
So what is the job that they are doing?
here I gonna like for button we'll try to like to give some styles for it. Margin 0 auto. Okay, I gonna like give one more style for this margin 0 auto for this button. Control C. Okay, where is this on the top? Again we need to go to the top. Okay, see I'm gonna like for this already button is there, right? Margin here they have given
See, why I'm
4
thinking,
pixels and 2 px, so that I'm gonna give
at least if you are getting very
margin of
distracted,
0 auto.
even in the same area if you are there, then that would also help you. But now,
Auto 0,
the training what you are learning is different.
which we have given 0
The
auto.
nature of the work what you are doing is
0
different.
auto.
In
Save
such cases, what happens
and
is
I'm gonna reload.
it takes
And I'm gonna change the
more
button
time
color as well. We'll try to give some
successful developer. Madam, he
color
is very
to
simple.
black.
Where are you from basically? Chittoor.
Okay,
How
black.
person
Background color, and this is for
మీరు ఎక్కడ
white. Okay. It's up to you with the color which you need to add. It's up to you. And the thing is like we don't have on the top and bottom. For that what we're going to write, we're going to write use some padding or what margin. Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm book చేయాలని
Okay.
ఉద్దేశం కాదు.
Row for this what I'm gonna do is I like py is equals to like py2. I'm gonna like 5. I'm gonna save and I'm gonna reload. Oh, something is messed up. Control Z. Yeah. Okay. Py of 5. Control save and reload. Okay, now this is nice. See, with this simple, we haven't done anything. With simple things, we have like created one complete page. Okay, you can like create the footer for this. Okay, this is how we are going to like. I think now you have understood how Bootstrap is helping us. Okay, see, and also I think you somehow you get something how this grid is going to happen. Okay, I think if again you are like facing the issues, like let us know. And also this is what the Bootstrap overall is going to be. See how many lines of to create all these things, how many lines of code we have written for CSS. If you try to check, okay, it is going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 lines of code, 11 and 12 lines of code CSS. Okay, without this Bootstrap, if you want to do all this sort of things, it is going to be like at least 200 lines of code, at least 200 to 300, 300 to 400 also, maybe at least 300 lines of code. I mean 200 lines at least. Okay, at least like 150 to 200 lines of code it is going to have. Okay, so to overcome all these sort of things, okay, this Bootstrap is going to help us. Okay, this is how the overview. Okay, I hope this session helped you. Okay, next that's it for today, guys. From tomorrow we'll like try to like talk the basics of JavaScript and how this JavaScript is going to be and how this is going to help us, and these sort of things we'll try to think of it. Okay, we'll try to like plan from tomorrow we'll try to have some JavaScript sessions. Okay, this is more than enough for like for Bootstrap. Okay, the only thing you need to do is you need to go through this. I mean you just need to take a layout, whatever the layout it is going to be. We can also go to AchieversIT, you can pick that also. Okay, you need to like keep on building it using Bootstrap. Try to pick a layout, or else I have already given a layout. Okay, I have already given a layout in GitHub. Okay, tasks section I have given a task. Okay, for that layout you please try to create the layout using Bootstrap. Okay, okay, now I'm gonna share the GitHub link the attendance link as well. You need to like keep. Okay, you just complete it and photos paste. Okay, if you have any queries also let us know. Okay, we gonna hold on for like okay, sorry. Slow. Okay, I think this link is not working. I just gonna I'll just post a link. Okay, here or else in comment section here I'll try to like paste it here. I'll just give me a second, I'll try to like forward the attendance. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, I just have posted the attendance sheet so that you can fill your attendance. Okay, you just try to fill the attendance and let us know. And also if you have any comments, please let us know. Okay, Okay. That is it, guys. If you have any queries, please let me know. And I think that's it. No one has like any queries. Like, and thank you all for attending the training.